It was the last evening of Ramadan, and a gentle, cool breeze was flowing through the peaceful village. The sky was slowly turning golden and purple as the sun was setting. Little Ali stood on the rooftop with his mother, looking up at the sky with hopeful eyes. He softly asked, "Ami, will the Eid moon appear tonight?" His mother smiled warmly and replied, "Inshallah, my child, if the moon is seen tonight, tomorrow will be Eid." Soon, people from the village started gathering on their rooftops, all looking up at the sky with excitement and anticipation. The moment felt calm and magical. Suddenly, a thin, shining crescent moon slowly appeared from behind the clouds. Ali jumped with joy and shouted happily, "Ami, the moon! The moon is here!" His voice echoed through the village, and soon everyone started cheering with happiness. People greeted each other with warm smiles and said, "Eid Mubarak!" Children began laughing and running around with excitement, while the soft moonlight covered the village with a peaceful glow. Ali's mother raised her hands in gratitude and whispered a prayer, thanking Allah for this beautiful moment. Under the gentle light of the crescent moon, the whole village felt alive with joy, and Ali went to sleep that night, dreaming about the happiness, sweets, and Eid he would receive on the blessed day of Eid.